Welcome to channel, Effortless English from Zero. Learn to speak English like a native. If you are new here, consider subscribing. Ride on the school bus. Listen and repeat. He waits for the school bus. He sees the yellow bus. It stops in front of him. The door opens. He climbs up the steps. He says hello to the driver. The driver says good morning. He walks to the back of the bus. He sits next to the window. The bus starts. He looks out the window. Listen and answer. Does he wait for the school bus?
Yes, he waits for the school bus.
Who waits for the school bus?
Robert waits for the school bus.
What does he wait for?
He waits for the school bus.
Does he see the yellow bus?
Yes, he sees the yellow bus.
Who sees the yellow bus?
Robert sees the yellow bus.
What does he see?
He sees the yellow bus.
Does it stop in front of him?
Yes, it stops in front of him.
What stops in front of him?
The yellow bus stops in front of him.
Where does it stop?
It stops in front of Robert.
Does the door open?
Yes, the door opens.
What opens?
The door opens.
What does the door do?
The door opens.
Does he climb up the steps?
Yes, he climbs up the steps.
Who climbs up the steps?
Robert climbs up the steps.
What does he climb up?
He climbs up the steps.
Does he say hello to the driver?
Yes, he says hello to the driver.
Who says hello to the driver?
Robert says hello to the driver.
What does he say to the driver?
He says hello to the driver.
Does the driver say good morning?
Yes, the driver says good morning.
Who says good morning?
The driver says good morning.
What does the driver say?
The driver says good morning.
Does he walk to the back of the bus?
Yes, he walks to the back of the bus.
Who walks to the back of the bus?
Robert walks to the back of the bus.
Where does he walk?
He walks to the back of the bus.
Does he sit next to the window?
Yes, he sits next to the window.
Who sits next to the window?
Robert sits next to the window.
What does he sit next to?
He sits next to the window.
Does the bus start?
Yes, the bus starts.
What starts?
The bus starts.
What does the bus do?
The bus starts.
Does he look out the window?
Yes, he looks out the window.
Who looks out the window?
Robert looks out the window.
What does he look out?
He looks out the window.
Point of view. Yesterday. Listen and repeat. He waited for the school bus. He saw the yellow bus. It stopped in front of him. The door opened. He climbed up the steps. He said hello to the driver. The driver said good morning. He walked to the back of the bus. He sat next to the window. The bus started. He looked out the window. Point of view. Tomorrow. Listen and repeat. He will wait for the school bus. He will see the yellow bus. It will stop in front of him. The door will open. He will climb up the steps. He will say hello to the driver. The driver will say good morning. He will walk to the back of the bus. He will sit next to the window. The bus will start. He will look out the window. Vocabulary. Wait. Stop. In front of. Open. Climb. Driver. Walk. Next to. Look out. Question of the day. Do you go to school by bus? Let me know in the comments below. You have to watch this video every day, for at least 2 weeks. Thank you for watching. If you want to watch more videos, consider subscribing.
See you again. Bye bye.